Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you are watching and tracking the fintech world, the Bitcoin world, crypto world, all of that, you would know that there is enormous amount of funding, venture cap funding, private equity funding, banks putting in money into all these startups or all these companies. So this particular year, the first half of this year, the first 2 quarters of this year, has been really a revelation. It's the funding has actually surpassed all past figures. So I wanted to do a very quick video on where we stand as on June of 2021, 30th of June, June 30th, 2021. So that you get a sense as to where how much money is being pumped into the fintech world, and that will also tell you that where the payment world, the technology world, the finance world is moving towards. And I can tell you that if banks don't reorganize and transform their businesses, traditional banks, I'm saying, then they're in real trouble. And I that's why I did a video on that, how traditional banks can actually transform into a digital banking platform, online platform. So that is absolutely necessary in today's day and age. So now let's talk about it. It will be a very short video. So let's talk about let's try and see what are the numbers talking on funding in the fintech world. Before we jump in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please also comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my analysis, and from my videos. So until we spend too much time here, now let's dive in. So first things first, as you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. This ebook is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. The whole purpose behind writing this ebook was to let all of you know, what are the troubles I went through, what are the preparations I took, and how I, came around and became a successful entrepreneur. All that after giving up my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job back in 2010. So all that is mentioned in this particular book. It's an inspiring book. You must take a read. And the good thing is I've also put down 3 worksheets, essentially to gauge your mind before you actually jump into the world of entrepreneurship, so that you know how likely you would be successful in that journey. So you could, based on those 3 worksheets, you could score yourself and see where you stand. And the cool thing is I've scored myself, and you would know how much I scored in this ebook. And you would also know that I'm being a successful entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and 2 representations in the US markets. So the book is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put down in the description box below. Click on it. Go to that page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. So I hope you like the book. Please do comment and give me feedback, your honest feedback on the ebook. Now let's talk about the fintech funding, where it stands today. So if you look at the fintech funding in the first half of 2021, so you would see that more than $30 billion US raised across 657 deals. Q2 was the largest funding quarter recorded by CB Insights, surpassing the first quarter's previous record of $23 billion. So, which is a stupendous jump. That also brought the total amount of funding raised so far this year in the first half to about $54 billion, already exceeding total funding of 2021 by 24% and paving the way for a blockbuster year, obviously. So in half the year, in the first half itself, the total funding has surpassed the yearly funding of 2020 by 24%, the entire year of 2020, so which was a pandemic year. And a lot of funding had actually gone in. So now let's look at the graph. So if you look at the graph here, it says that in 2020, the funding was about $43 billion. And in this year, the first half itself, it went over $54 billion. So that's a 24% jump. So that's a significant jump for the fintech industry. So that itself says that companies, VCs are really going in for fintech startups and businesses. And you would see around Square on August 2nd, a few days ago, bought AltPay from Australia for $29 billion. That's a lot of money. There's been no tech company has bought ever or made any deal of that amount. The largest that you may have heard of was when Facebook bought WhatsApp, I think $9 billion, and Microsoft bought LinkedIn for about $13 or $16 billion. So you see, in the fintech world, monies are really pouring in. Let's try and look at the mega deals in the fintech world. So mega rounds are worth about $100 million, $100 million, and over drove the Q2 2021 fintech funding boom. A record of 88 mega rounds were announced that quarter, accounting for 70% of the total fintech funding for that period of Q2. So that's the graph. So in Q2, that you see, if you look at it, the jump is from 60 to 88. So that's the jump from first quarter of this year. Now, that has never happened ever since the tracking started in 2018. In Q2 of 2018, it had gone up, but look at this. Look at where we are at. It's really growing. It's really growing phenomenally. The mega deals. Now, let's try and look at what the blockchain. Where does blockchain stand? Just blockchain, not which is more focused. So that's where the cryptos will essentially come in. Blockchain was a hot topic, with funding hitting a new record margin of 4.3 million in Q2 of 2021. Top deals include Circle. So Circle's deal of 440 million round, Ledger's 330 million round, and Paxos 300 million round. So those have been the massive rounds of blockchains where funding has gone in. So look at the graph. So the deal count has actually gone in Q2 has gone up to 217 from 187 in Q1 and from just 126 in Q4 of last year. Last year, the highest was in Q1, which was 160. Q1 of this year surpassed that to 187, and in Q2 that went even beyond to 217. So that itself speaks, enormously on where the investors looking at as if you have to focus or pinpoint on any particular aspect of fintech, it's the blockchain aspect, the blockchain business models where the VCs are looking at putting in their money. So that's a phenomenal story. I thought I'll share this story with you. So, in summary, if you are, as an investor, I would tell you that if you are looking at investing in any of these companies, look at the blockchain companies, look at the fintech world. I keep talking about Square, and Square to me is a great solution. And if you're looking at investing in Square stock, I did a video on that. I'll put that in the card above. Why you should put your money in Square stock. So, like I said, Square recently bought AltPay for $29 billion. So please, if you are looking at investing in a blockchain platform or a crypto platform, and Square has many business models. So if you're looking at investing there, please go ahead and invest there. That's a straight answer that I will, or straight advice that I will give all you investors. So that's it. That I had for you today to share. I hope you liked the video and it's useful to you. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please click on it and go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with clients to find solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. And we can correspond, communicate, and then get into a conference call to see how we can work together. So finally, before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos and share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So until next time, you have a great weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye.